Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create an AI chatbot for your website. First thing first, go to chatbot.com build guide. Navigate to the chatbots tab and then click on plus add chatbot. Choose website as your bot's source. Now enter your website's URL, then click Continue to train your bot. Choose how you want chatbot to scan. Scan a full page, scan only nested pages, or scan a single page. And an optional step, use the toggle to exclude unnecessary pages from training. Click Continue to begin scanning and training. The bot will use your site's content to automatically generate knowledge and responses. Now to customize your welcome message, review or modify the automatically generated skills like FAQ, pricing, about, contact us. Then edit attributes captured during scanning like company name, privacy policy URL, terms of service URL, social media links, and once complete, just click Continue. Now click on the Test Your Bot button and use the chat window to simulate a conversation. The blue line indicates active flow paths during chat, and wait until the spinner on the bottom stops. That's when the AI knowledge is fully loaded. Now add more knowledge sources later to enhance your bot's capabilities and use the AI knowledge module in your bot's main panel. And that's it guys, that's how you create an AI chatbot for your website. I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.